And then to this side, we have the grand kitchen of the place where all the food was prepared. Wow, an enormous stove underneath an exhauster. Very beautiful French wood stove underneath there. Irons as well up here. Look at those. Very hefty, very heavy. And then in the middle of the room, we as well had this enormous stove where probably a few workers simultaneously would cook food for the owners of the castle. Very rusted up, not able to open that anymore. An oil lantern above here, lighting up this room. Probably servants have not been in here for a very, very long time. This cabinet has completely collapsed. We have another little area, preparation area. Oh, and these were the food elevators. And yes, they would come out in the kitchen upstairs. These don't function anymore. The cables are completely broken.